Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we've got your 3 favorite things: show and tell, unboxing, and a crafting haul. Let's get into it. I definitely have to start out this video with a big thank you to everyone who's subscribed. Last week, you guys did exactly as I thought you would, and we hit 700 subscribers. Actually, today when I'm filming this, Monday night, we are at 710. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your support. It means so much to me, and I am so grateful. Saturday night, I was out at dinner, and I saw that we hit 700, and I was just so excited, and it meant so much to me. I really think it's possible to hit 1,000 subscribers by Thanksgiving. We're only 101 days away from Thanksgiving filming this. So actually, when you guys see this on Tuesday, 100 days away from Thanksgiving. That's crazy. It does not feel that close. So we're 290 subs away, which is 2.8 additional subs a day, 3 subs per day if we're counting whole people. But I know you guys can do it. I know you can share. 3 people can share each video from now till then, and I know that we can make it. I believe in you guys. I know we can do it. So the Q&A next Thursday, please put, this Thursday, please put all your questions down below because I'm going to film that on Wednesday. So make sure you get your questions in so I can go ahead and add them. That being said, I got a question on one of my videos asking if it would be a live video or if today's video was live. That's a great thought. I didn't want to do it so last minute. So here's what I'll do. If we hit 800 subs by Labor Day weekend, so Labor Day weekend, the day, September 6th. So if we hit 800 subs September 6th, then September 5th, I will do a live stream September 6th, maybe around 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, noon, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what time works best for you. I'm on East Coast, so East Coast time. Let me know if you'd be interested in that, if I should do that, or if you just want a pre-recorded thank you video that day. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. So that being said, let's get into it. Let's start with unboxing first. Oh, and the 700 thank you, the sale that's going on in the shop. I will have the inventory constantly going throughout this video so you can see what's available, but I'll let you know what the sale is at the end of this video. Let's get to the unboxing, and then we'll do the haul and then the show and tell. So the unboxing, I ordered this super cute marbled tray off of Amazon. It was $35.99. It's 12 by 12 and it's 2 inches tall. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's all like bubble wrapped. It's very nicely packaged. Let's double check that it's not broken. Wait, do I need to? Yeah. Cut it open. Wow. This is a handmade resin tray. I'm thinking I can use this in my booth. Wow, that is so beautiful. Look at it in the edge. Little silica box. It is nicely finished. Let's see. I have small hands, but my hands can fit, and there's some gap. It has little footers so you won't damage things. I don't know if it's like waterproof, but very pretty. It's handmade in India. Here's the little card all about it. Very cool. If you want to get one of these trays, I'll have it linked in the description down below. Very beautiful tray. Okay, next up, we have the labels from France. I have talked to you guys about these so many times. I love the woman that I get my labels from. She is so fast. She does such a good job. Oh, look at those labels. I will have the link to her shop down below. These cost me $24.78 per pack. This is a double pack so that I don't have to pay for shipping. So I spent about 50 bucks on these, but well worth it in my opinion. I think they're great quality. Next, let's get into the thrift haul. So all of these thrifted fabrics were gifted to me, and I'm very grateful. You know who you are. Thank you very much. And I've already said thank you, but I'll say it again. So these are all Waverly fabrics, and Waverly is actually at Walmart. So these originally are $3.79 at Walmart, and these were $1 at Salvation Army, and they're all fresh, still in the pack. So here we got some shoes, some cherries. This is a really nice gray. Seagulls, wood, Okay, you know this is gonna be for me. Lemons, sucker for lemons, if you can't tell by all my stuff on my bookcase. Some just different icons, florals, limes, limes again, cheetah print. I don't know what you call that, like just flowers, anchors. These are like little wheats maybe, or flowers. I don't know what you would call that. Floral, geometric, double again, feathers, feathers, pink pattern, Paris, geometric again, a different kind of feathers, and then shoes. And these are different, I think, than the other shoes. Are they? Is it the same thing? Yeah, these are different. 2 different shoes. So that's all the fabric. Let me clean this up and then I'll show you the sew and tell. I lied, there's 2 more fabrics. So these came from a different thrift store, I don't know where. So this was $2.49. It's a cool fabric. I've never seen one like that. And then this one, you want to see something funny? Hold on. Look at that. I already had this fabric. Isn't that so funny? Okay, let's get into the sew and tell. The sew and tell is actually the exfoliating packs that I did. So we have the 3 packs right here. 1, 2, 3. And each one of these has 9 exfoliating pads, right? So 5 of them have, there's 9. 5 of them have the X, 4 of them do not. And then, or no, flipped. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 have the X, 5 do not. And then there are 3 that are just cotton flannel. So these could be just to take your makeup off or to use instead of cotton rounds for like taking off your nail polish, something like that. And then we have 1 mini. So I used the entire exfoliating towel. It's gone. I used it up completely. So each of the packs has those 3 things. So you can see here, like this is double-sided. Oh my God, they came out so cute. I'm so excited to see what these 3 lucky ladies think. They're gonna try them out for about a month and then let me know what they think. Is this a product worth my time? Would they pay the price that I would set these at? And then, like I said, I have these cute bags I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna print out a little message as to what's in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think they're gonna like them. I'm gonna throw them in this bag. Aren't those just the cutest? Like, wouldn't that make a great gift? You could put like a little nail polish or like a little face scrub. I think these are going to end up being a good product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I know you won't be testing them out, but let me know what you think just from what you've seen. And on this topic, I have a big thank you to Debbie K, who pointed out something wrong about my math. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So again, thank you to Debbie K. She pointed out that in my packaging, she was talking about just the packaging, but it actually applies to the label as well. So this is per 9. So this number here should have been divided by 9. So it's actually a penny per for the label and a penny per for the packaging, or actually 2 cents for the packaging. So it would be 181 and 126, which would be 1629 and 1134, which was a great catch. Thank you, Debbie. I appreciate you pointing that out. I definitely should have put this in like an Excel sheet and not just did it by hand. If you made it this far, thank you so much for continuing to watch. Let me tell you what the sale is that's happening as my thank you for 700 subscribers. So you've seen the 3 types of products that are on highlight this week. So the 3 products that we have on sale are scrunchies, key fobs, and jar openers. All 3 products are 70% off for 7 days. The scrunchies and the key fobs are $10, which means that they're $3, and then the jar openers are $1.80 because they're originally $6. So from August 16th to August 23rd, those 3 items will be 70% off. Everything else in the shop is normal price. And all of the items will ship August 24th. So if you're buying it hoping you'll get it this weekend, the normal ship times do not apply. I will package all of the sale orders at one time next week. So that is how that's going to go down. Let me know if you have any questions, suggestions, your comments for the Q&A video. Please put them in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much and have a great day.